Are you locked out of your Gumroad account because you forgot your password? Learn how to change it in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact steps to update your password. First, head to Gumroad's website. Start by heading over to Gumroad's website. Once you're in, go ahead and click on your profile picture or name in the top right corner to open the drop-down menu. From that menu, select Settings to access your account preferences. Now, in the Settings page, look for the Password and Authentication section and click on it. First, type in your current password to verify it's you. Then, enter your new password in the next field. Click the Change Password button to save your new password. And that's it. You've successfully changed your password on Gumroad. Happy creating! If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.